Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to set seat memory in your Honda Pilot. This feature allows two different drivers to save their preferred seating and mirror positions for quick recall. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked and the ignition is turned to the on position. Then, adjust your driver's seat, the steering wheel, and both side mirrors exactly how you like them for comfortable driving. This initial setup is crucial for accurate memory storage. Now that you have your ideal driving position, let's save it as position 1. Look for the memory seat control panel, typically found on the driver's side door. You will see buttons labeled SET 1 and 2. First, press and hold the SET button. Keep holding it until you hear a single, clear beep. Immediately after that, within about 5 seconds, press and hold the number 1 button until you hear 2 distinct beeps. This confirms your first position is saved. For the second driver, the process is very similar. Have the second driver get into the vehicle and adjust the seat, steering wheel, and side mirrors to their personal preferences. Once everything is perfectly set for them, locate the memory seat control panel again. Just like before, press and hold the SET button until you hear a single beep. Then, within 5 seconds, press and hold the number 2 button until you hear 2 beeps, confirming the second position is now stored. Recalling your saved positions is incredibly easy. When you enter the vehicle, simply press the number 1 or 2 button corresponding to your desired setting. The seat, steering wheel, and side mirrors will automatically adjust to the stored position. For added convenience, you can often link these memory settings to your individual key fobs, allowing the vehicle to automatically adjust to your preferred settings as you unlock the doors. Enjoy your personalized driving experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.